how to save your Canva design. Hello everybody, welcome back. Here's how you can do that. So let's just get started. First of all, you can just go ahead and open up your project on Canva that you would like to save. So you can just go ahead and edit out and complete everything like designing and everything on your Canva. Once it is done, the first thing you can do is check if it is saved or not on Canva. So in order to do so, at the top left corner of your screen, you should be finding a file option. Click on it and we have the save option. It will automatically save the changes, but if it is not saved, you can click on the save and save all of the changes and head over to the project section and you should be finding your Canva design already being saved on your Canva. So this is one of the method. Otherwise, you can directly download it on your device as well. For that, look for the share option at the top right corner. And once it opens up, look for this download option. Click on it and follow the process in order to download it. You can select the file type of your project and select it up. After that, you can select up the pages and preferences and everything and click on download option right here. And it will basically save it up on your device. So this is it. You can follow up this method in order to save your Canva design. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you in another video.